Guatemala, leader country of Central America in continuous development and economical growth, is recognized by its rich flora and fauna, as well as its weather diversity, which generates different ecosystems with its 100,000 square kilometers of extension. In the southern area of the country, near the coast of the Pacific Ocean, there is a region with all the optimal conditions for the growing of sugarcane. Region in which most of the Guatemalan sugar mills are located. In this coast, Port Quetzal is located, through which most of the Guatemalan sugar is exported to the world. And there is located the port facility Expogranel, the exporting branch of the Guatemalan sugar. The sugar agro-industry of Guatemala, through its active participation in the sugar mills, has become the major sugar producer in Central America, having exported more than 1 million of metric tons per harvest season in the last years, reaching a position as one of the first places of sugar exporters in the world. Expogranel was established in 1994 by Guatemalan sugar mills as a loading facility. It is responsible for the reception, inspection, storage, and shipment of the sugar. It also controls the necessary activities related to the exporting process of all sugars in the country. The loading terminal is equipped with the highest level of infrastructure and well-trained personnel, with which it has achieved large storage capacity, excellent performance in the reception and shipping of sugar as well. This performance has made of Expogranel an important piece for the constant growing of the country's sugar agro-industry development and one of the best sugar facilities around the world. Reception. This process begins when the trucks transporting bulk or bagged sugar from the sugar mills arrive to Expogranel, for which a delivery quota is established depending upon the storage rights available for each mill and export obligations. Expogranel has, for these purposes, the highest quality equipment to perform this process. All information on the quantity of product is received in Expogranel and processed in a computer system which can be accessed at any time by the mills through the company's webpage. Laboratory. Expogranel has a laboratory equipped with the best available technology, where the analyses are performed under the best international standards. In this lab, the sugar is constantly analyzed in every step of the process to guarantee that the same fulfill the international standards required by customers. As a proof of the competence of the laboratory for the different analyses, it is accredited under the ISO 17025 quantity standard, being the first national laboratory receiving this accreditation by the Guatemalan Office of Accreditation, OGA. Storage. Expogranel has 4 warehouses to store bulk sugar with an estimated capacity of 365,000 metric tons and 2 warehouses to store bagged sugar with a capacity of 66,000 metric tons. Expogranel's total storage capacity is 431,000 metric tons, which represents a competitive advantage for sugar mills to have such a high percentage of their total production that allows planning their dispatches conveniently. These warehouses are fed by a conveyor belt system which allows to take advantage of the space in an effective way. Shipment. When a sugar vessel is announced to be loaded, logistic imperative process begins, which includes the personnel assignment set up the exports documentation and coordination among the shipping lines, shipping agencies, and sugar mills. Expogranel has, for these purposes, the highest quality equipment to perform the process. By using the available equipment in Expogranel, it is possible to stuff an average of 10 containers per hour with bagged sugar of 50 kilos and reach a bulk loading rate of more than 2,000 metric tons per hour, making with this loading rate one of the best of the world. The dimension of the bulk loading capacity can be appreciated in a better way with the following comparison. Before, when Expogranel did not exist, a bulk vessel of 35,000 metric tons was loaded in approximately 30 days. Nowadays, can be done in less than 18 hours. Our main commitment is to maintain the satisfaction of customers and accomplish all requirements. Also, one of our goals is to keep up our international credibility obtained through the years by a strict quality control of our product and an efficient system which certifies accurate weight and quality in our shipments, for which the international certification ISO 9001-2000 has represented the basis of the control and continuous improvement of our operations. Expogranel has not only a commitment with its customers, but with the future of the country. For that reason, it has socially focused in the education of Guatemalan children, helping schools in the nearby communities, conscious that an educated and competent society makes a prosperous and developed nation. Because our work goes beyond frontiers, we are committed to continue improving every day for the progress of the sugar agro industry, for the sustainable and responsible development of our beautiful country. Expogranel, the exporting branch of the Guatemalan sugar.